Good to hear from you again.
How are you feeling with your mask on?
Hot. But I'm feeling more used to it. The first hour of the flight was rough, but then you get used to it.
Yeah.
I think if I put on a surgical mask, I'll feel a little bit better.
Please stand clear of doors and
Por
hold
favor,
on to
manténgase alejado.
Not yet.
We are in line for the Magical Express
Yes, we are.
with our masks and all. We're staying at the Contemporary for the first time. Rivers of Lights.
Last time
Rest in peace to Rivers
Oh,
of
God.
Lights.
that we watched for 10 minutes that one time.
Yeah, but it was nice.
It was.
From
Then we were
Asia. And we were like, right,
let's go ride.
Let's go right after us again. You know, someone was like, oh, they can't have fireworks at Animal Kingdom. And I was like, that makes so much sense because they have animals there. Never thought about it. We're going. What are those? You have the envelope or shit?
I have it.
Okay. $47? This is our bus? Whoop! Are we the only ones on the bus? What? Oh shoot! They're loading from the back, they said?
Yeah, she said 15.
We have the whole bus to ourselves right now. I don't know how much longer we're gonna be sitting here. And then the first 4 seats in the front are reserved for professional basketball players. Are you excited?
Yes. Well, I'm excited. It's gonna be different.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll see what it's like without the magic.
I still think there's magic. It's Disney. There's always magic in Disney. And we get to see the new castle, which is magical itself. So I'm excited. We're just waiting for people to get on this bus. And if it's just us, YOLO. Or on our way to, well, we're not on our way, we're waiting to be on our way. To go to the Contemporary. To stay in the deluxe life.
Yep.
I'm excited.
I am too. It's gonna be really cool.
I'm so excited. And we're probably gonna go swimming because right now it's nice out and the forecast for today doesn't say rain in Florida, in this area of Florida, but it's Florida, so it probably will rain, but we'll see.
Contemporary Resort.
Where are we going?
The Contemporary Resort. I'm smiling under the mask.
We did not have NBA players on our bus. Is it you?
Thank you. You want to go with man? All right, with this guy, with this stuff, man.
Ooh, it's hot. Alright, we're headed to our room now. We're in the Garden View building. There's the pool, which we're probably about to go to in a little bit. 5113. Beautiful. So we have a nice little coffee setup. Do you like Keurig? Do you like Keurig?
Nah, they're alright. See down here we got the fridge.
Oh, we gotta find a safe.
The fridge, yeah. Got a little
Oh, it's a nice size closet. So this is a second closet?
And this is where the safe is.
Okay, nice size safe.
Don't mind the luggage.
And this is the room. So don't mind Resort TV all nice and loud. We've missed it so much. So we have a garden view, which is fine. We're on the first floor, but it's a really beautiful view. It's like right by the water. That's a nice walk. Like at night when the weather's nice. We got these nice little seats out here if we just want to sit and relax. We have 2 queen size beds with nice little overhead reading lights. We have a couch here. I don't think it pulls out. I don't know actually. All right, just a couch, it's fine. You have a little desk area there. That's where I'm gonna be doing my reference page for my paper. And then we have the bathroom. Like a little like towel setup that they did. Isn't that beautiful? So we have 2 vanities. Is there a time we've stayed in a spot and it has 2 vanities?
At Disney, yeah.
Yeah, because All-Star Movies only had 1. And they have the H2O plus that are not locked. So just have regular tub. And then here is like your little toilet room. There's got to be a full-length mirror somewhere, but where? I don't think there is a full-length mirror.
I don't think so.
Nope. That's fine. Do you like our room? Well, they have this like mirror up here, but that's fine. We're on our way to the pool. We're like already here. It's like a hop. What is it? A hop, skip, and a jump, like right outside our room. It's a little crowded though. But yeah, so we're just gonna go for a swim. It's a nice day today.